Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Winter is upon us and the days are getting colder. It's hot cocoa season. One of the ways people would stay warm in the cold weather was to drink hot beverages. Grandpa is going to make some homemade hot cocoa. Here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 1/4 cups of hot water, 1 1/2 cups of milk, marshmallows.
We're ready to make our hot cocoa. First, we got to put 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa in our 1 1/2 cup saucepan. Add our 3 tablespoons of sugar, blend it all together. Now we have to slowly add 1/4 cup of hot water. Put our heat on, medium high. We have to bring this to a boil and constantly stir it. And when it gets to a boil, we'll be doing it for 2 minutes of boiling time. It's come to a boil now. I'm going to put my timer on for 2 minutes and constantly stir it. So medium heat. My 2 minutes is up. Now I'm going to add the milk to it. 1 1/2 cups of milk. And we're going to heat it up thoroughly. We don't bring the milk mixture to a boil. We just heat it up. Constantly stirring it. We've noticed our first bubble just before it's boiled, so we're taking it off the heat. Now we have to stir it with a rotary mixer until it's foamy. Nice and foamy enough. Now I get my cup and pour some into my cup. So here's my cup of hot cocoa rather, with the marshmallows added to it. Now I'm gonna sit down and have a taste.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma.
Looks good.
Oh, that's good. Nice and chocolatey. Marshmallows. Nice and hot, warming me up.
We love our hot chocolate on cold days, right, Grandpa?
Yes, I do. I love my hot chocolate. Thank you for watching.